Hello. Today we can start with the typecasting in Python. So typecasting is a method of converting one data type into another data type. So we have two types of typecasting. One is implicit typecasting and other one is explicit typecasting. So we can go through one by one. So implicit typecasting. In implicit typecasting, Python automatically converts one data type into another data type. So this is known as implicit typecasting. So I have given some example here. So example is a is equal to 7, b is equal to 2. When you divide 7 by 2, you will get an value as 3.5. So as both the values are integer, on dividing, so it will automatically convert it into float value. So this is known as implicit typecasting. So we can have an example in the code editor. Implicit dot py. So let us create a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 3. Sorry, 2. Then t is equal to a divided by b. So if I print d, print type of d, so you could able to see both are integer values, but on dividing it has been converted into floating value. Now the class is float. So this is called as implicit type of typecasting. Now let's explicit type. Now let us move on with explicit typecasting. In explicit typecasting, user converts one data type into another data type. So for example, let us consider a is equal to 5. So print type of a. So when I print this, we will get the output as integer. So when consider for b is equal to float of n, print type of b. Print b. So if I print it, float, if I print it, now the value is 5 after converting into float. So I will write here into float. After converting integer to float, we are getting the output as float type. Now into complex. So c is equal to complex of a. Print c. Print type of c. When I did this, so it has complex value 5 plus 0j and the class is complex. So integer to float is done, float to complex is done. So now it time for string. So d is equal to str of a, print d. So print type of d. So if you run this, now the value 5 is changed to d. Now it is an str value. Converting into string. Okay. So I'll just try to convert. Now it's throwing error. Test it. Into string. Now str to list d is equal to list of d. So print d, sorry, print e, print type of d. When I run this, now it is file and class is list. Now str2 tuple ef is equal to tuple of d print f print type of f. If I run this, now it is changed to tuple. So we have completed integer to float, float to complex, string, list, tuple. So these are the commonly used explicit type of casting, and I have did all the examples. If you need, you can go through this code file. That's all for the day. Thank you.